te whānau morihu, just like to introduce you all to Pōtoro Wairua Bill Barlow. He's been put up for Pōtoro Rehita, and we're just going to have a little kōrero with Bill, a bit of a history as to where he's from. By the way, we're at Te Whitinga i Ngā Moana, 1924-1925, Pareha Pukekohe. And this video is all about Bill Barlow, Pōtoro Wairua. He has been nominated to be put up as Pōtoro Rehita. Kei te piki a koe oho?
Tēnā koe.
Awesome, awesome. So you are now here in Pukekohe, but this is not where you started from. Apparently your beginnings in the po started from
Takanini. I was a kaitaki whakamomiti. From there I moved to Kiamaya, and I became an ākonga for 2 years, and then I became an Pōtoro Wairua in 1989, and up until this year, 23 years as an Pōtoro Wairua, and now it was time to take the next big step and become an Pōtoro Rehita.
Kia ora, kia ora. And how do you feel about the fact that you are going to become an Pōtoro Rehita for yourself personally, and for yourself and your family, and for the morihu here in Pukekohe? How's your feelings about that?
It's a good question there, Joe. Yes, it's an honour and a privilege. My karaua was an Pōtoro Rehita, and then he handed the tohus down to my father, and he became an Pōtoro Rehita. And my oldest brother Robin, he was an Pōtoro Rehita. And now I feel that this is my time to take up the mantle and take this great work of the māramatanga and become an Pōtoro Rehita. Ko Ngāti Tūwharetoa tuku iwi, me Ngāti Raukawa hoki, me te pai hoki o Tainui, ki te marae o te puia marae, ki Māngere, ki tahi marae hoki. E riri whakatūporanga au Ngāti Tūwharetoa me Ngāti Raukawa.
Hey, good to meet you, Bill. Thank you very much for allowing us to have this kōrero with you. As I was saying, this will probably be shared out to the rest of the world, not just the watching. So, whānau, thank you very much for tuning in. Tēnā koe oho. Kia ora tiwi morihu. Tēnā koutou, kia ora pai tātou.
Ka ki te ama.